Okay, it's been about 2 weeks since I started putting this little beauty together. It's pretty much all done. Got a little touch up to do here and there, but it looks really good. I think it's gonna be perfect. I'm very pleased with it. I'm so pleased. I need to go buy another one just because it was so much fun to finish. And that's really all I did, was just finish it. It went together very well, very easily. All except for that front sight that I had to booger up, but here's what it looks like. I'll try to take some shots outside in the natural light so you can see that beautiful wood finish, that beautiful blued barrel. So it's all done. Pedersoli Scout Carbine. I know this gun didn't exist in history, but I'm not looking for something historically accurate. I'm looking for something that's fun to shoot once a month at the Black Powder Club's monthly shoot that is about 50 caliber, which is his. So I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for watching.